Shona Ferguson biography, age, children, wife, television roles and movies. Shona Ferguson biography. Shona Ferguson, whose real name is Aaron Ferguson, is a South African actor best known for his role as Dr. Leabua on the Venda soap Muvhango. He joined the cast of Venda soap Muvhango in April 2006 and resigned from the show on March 5, 2007. He later starred as Itumeleng Tlhodi, the charismatic and powerful protector of his community and heir apparent to the chieftaincy, in the Mnet soap opera The Wild, from 2011 to 2013. Shona Ferguson wife. In a February issue of Destiny magazine, Shona remembers the smallest details about meeting Connie Ferguson at her Johannesburg home. He was dropping off mutual friends of her sister Lerato while on a visit to the city from his home in Botswana for a business course. He asked for a glass of water and was about to leave when Connie came out of her room to say hello. Hands down, it was love at first sight. She'd never admit, but that's how it was for me. The couple were married traditionally 2 months later. Shona Ferguson age. Shona Ferguson date of birth. Shona Ferguson's date of birth has not been made public. However, his wife Connie Ferguson, who was born in Kimberley on 10th of June, 1970, is a couple of years older than him. Shona Ferguson children. The information about his children is being updated. Shona Ferguson television roles. Middle Generation Season 1 as Ace. Middle as Odingo Season 1 as Tyson. Middle Muvhango Season 1 as Dr. Leabua. Middle Rockville Season 1, 2, 3 and 4 as JB Bagetsu. Middle Scandal Season 1 as Alex. Middle The Queen Season 1 as Jerry Make. Middle The Wild Season 1 and 2 as Itumeleng Tlhodi. Shona Ferguson movie. Middle 2010, Mrs. Mandela. Middle 2013, Rockville. Middle 2016, The Queen. Connie and Shona Ferguson revealed their secrets to their lasting marriage. Couples in long-term relationships such as Connie and Shona Ferguson attribute qualities such as kindness and attentiveness as the reason for their successful marriages. Relationships require hard work and commitment, but it isn't impossible. You too can be part of a long-lasting union by using the following tips. 1. Speak up. Communication seems like a cliché, but we have been conditioned to resolve problems by talking through them that we forget keep communicating even if things are going well. Instead of just talking about how your day went over dinner, broach new topics. 2. Be hands-on. Make a point of being touchy-feely. Hug your partner when you leave for work or touch his arm while you're talking. Scientists have found that just a 20-second can stimulate the release of oxytocin, so cuddle up. 3. Laugh together. Not only can laughter diffuse tension, but it can also bring people closer together. Bring laughter into your relationship by reminiscing about funny moments or watching a movie you both find entertaining. 4. Have couple time. Don't neglect quality time together, just the two of you. Prioritizing your partner over your children is good for your marriage and your kids. A happy marriage, relationship makes happy children. 5. Have sex. Waiting for the mood to strike. Don't. Have sex regularly even if you don't feel like it. Work pressures and the challenges of a family life conspire against regular sex, but you shouldn't let that stand in your way. Here's 4 reasons why we cannot get over Connie and Shona Ferguson's greatness. We cannot get enough of the king and queen of soap television. The couple and brains behind some of the best shows on TV, Connie and Shona Ferguson, may as well be crowned the queen and king of South African television. Through their production company, Ferguson Films, the husband and wife team have brought us shows like Rockville, Igazi, The Wild, The Queen and the movie, The Gift. We simply cannot get enough of the couple, and here's why. 1. Their undying, adorable love for each other. Having been married for over 15 years, the couple has been dubbed as the golden couple of the entertainment industry. We love watching their sweet gestures towards each other on social media and how they make us believe in that everlasting kind of love. It's so sweet to watch. 2. They gave us Brutus on the TV series The Queen. https://twitter.com/TheKingZancy. Lang and Ferguson Films introduced to Brutus, the uncle we all love and cannot get enough of. The series is about a dedicated wife, mother and successful businesswoman, Harriet, played by Connie. She is forced to do the unthinkable when her husband's secret comes to light. After tragedy strikes, she is forced to take over a family empire whilst hiding a deadly secret that can tear them apart. Brutus, played by the legendary Themba Ndaba, lives with Harriet, her flamboyant brother, Gussie, played by Salome Kongku, and her children. He is the uncle we'd all love to have, sometimes because of his quirky ways to keep his brother's family together. 3. The listen to us when we chose a wife for Uncle Brutus. Earlier this year, fans took to Twitter and called for actress Romy Chewin. https://twitter.com/RamaChewin. Lang Anta joined the show as Brutus' wife. The couple challenged Chewin to get 10,000 retweets for her to be considered for the role, and she delivered. Chewin has started filming for the show and will be part of the cast when the second season of the show starts later this month. We love how the couple makes TV for the people and we simply cannot wait for season 2. It's also great that the season will start without a production break. 4. They're just so great fam. This couple is out here, breaking barriers and leveling the ground for generations to come. It is because of them that the black child will know that it's possible to successfully build your dream whatever it may be, a fan tweeted. We could not agree more.